Welcome back to my road trip series, where I travel alone by van from Portugal back to my home country, Sweden, exploring and capturing the many beautiful places along the way. In this video, we start out in Spain, where I face the language barrier head-on as I go to a local mechanic to repair the van. Eventually, I finally make my way north into the Spanish mountains, only to find myself hiking to my most spectacular cold water plunge yet. Enjoy. Alright, it's Monday. I'm now in Spain again and I feel done with this nature reserve park, so yeah, I don't really know what the next plan is, but I've looked at some places in the north of Spain and there's some lakes that I would like to see in the mountains. They look very beautiful. I think the first one was like 2.5 hours away, which I'm definitely not driving today. I'm not up for that. I think I'm gonna start driving towards one of these lakes and then we'll see if I find something on the way or if I feel like stopping or whatever, and just make some distance. This place have been a pleasure. It's time to keep moving. Let's go. Well, I mean, it's a very cool spot, but whoever found this, absolutely mental. I found this spot on an app called Park4Night, which is kind of what I've been using my whole journey. It's basically a map where people can add different types of things like parking spots in nature, drinking water, everything, basically. Yeah, this was one of them, and sometimes it brings me out on the weirdest roads. Like this one was super narrow and long, but I mean, it was worth it. But whoever found this place, it's so weird. I would never find a place like this if I didn't have that app. So most of the times I've just been parked on places from Park4Night. But yeah, this is pretty cool, I must say. And the sunset is gonna be cool. It's perfect for sunset, so not bad at all. Alright, I just finished editing an Instagram reel. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit stressed with fitting everything into my schedule, but I'm trying to just breathe through it, plan accordingly, and not stress about it. But it's hard. I feel like I have to do a lot and I had to travel back, but I think it's gonna be okay. I have one weekend left to explore and I'm gonna do that on Friday and Saturday, and then I'm gonna be driving on Sunday a lot. So today it's Tuesday. I need to get water and I want to get some distance in as well. I would also need to go to a mechanic to fix my handbrake. I think it's gonna be cheaper to do it here than to do it at home, so I would really like to try to do that, but it's hard to find the time for everything. With working until 4:30 p.m. is really tough. Now it's 6 p.m. so now I can't really go to a mechanic. It would be good. Not sure what to do about that. Anyways, I don't know what to film right now. I'm struggling. It's too much. Alright, so I just checked and there is mechanics 16 minutes from here on my way, so I think I'll go there, just talk to them, see if I can talk to them, try to talk to them in Spanish. There's a water place like 15-20 minutes after that, so I think that's my goals for today, is to do those things. Let's go. I'm at the mechanic now and there's currently a guy under my car doing something. But I told them that my handbrake was bad. Yeah, they got right to it. I'm sitting here with my foot on the brake because I'm at an angle and I don't want to crush it. So we'll see how it goes. And this is actually the first time in a long time that I've been out of mechanic, so it's a bit weird feeling being back here. I've had a lot of issues, so we'll see if it's something they can fix. For now, I'll just sit tight and see what they say.
Suéltale el freno, suelta despacito. Suelta, vale. Te lo voy a tensar un pelín más y ya te queda listo. Pisa el freno, ahí, perfecto.
I don't understand a word, but it seems like he's actually fixing it right now. I don't know how, but it seems like he's fixing it. That would be amazing. He just screwed something and now it works. Magic. Let's see what it says. Not that I understand what it says, but let's see if he seems positive or not.
Good?
That is good.
Really?
Really.
Está suelta, ¿verdad? Suelta el freno.
Remove?
Suéltalo, ahí. Perfecto.
Wow.
Ya está, solucionado.
Muy rápido. Alright, so they actually managed to fix the handbrake on the spot. I think something was loose and you just had to tighten it. So that was nice. And then I asked about like the belts because I have some squeaking when I drive on low RPM, like low gas. Tengo otro problema.
Dime.
Quando conduco con poco gasolina, chirría tal vez alguna correa.
¿Siempre o solo cuando está frío, cold?
Todo.
Siempre.
Siempre.
Abre el capó.
He said that something, I guess some form of belt, was very old and it needed replacing. He couldn't call and check the price today, so he wanted me to come back tomorrow at 10 and then he would check it again and call and check the price and everything. And then I guess he can fix it tomorrow. Vale, mañana.
Perfecto. Pues
Perfecto. Gracias. Muchas gracias. So, really nice place, really nice guy. They just fixed my handbrake. I didn't have to pay or anything. It took like 5 minutes. So super nice. And I think I'm gonna stay, see if they can check. Wow, that's a really dog and it doesn't have a necklace. You want to be my dog? No? Okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stay, so I'm just gonna go get some water and then I'll find somewhere to park in the area. I'm not going back on that mountain, that was too annoying, but I'm gonna find somewhere to park.
La correa está muy gastada. Very old.
Oh. Hey! So the last few days have been quite hectic. I don't really know where I'm at in the video, honestly. There's been some time since I last recorded. I was at the mechanic yesterday and then I drove like 1 hour and now I have 1 more hour to a place called Las Medulas and it's basically this landscape rocks. I don't know. So yeah, last few days have just been working and doing calls and stuff. Now I just finished work. Today it's Thursday, but yeah, I'm gonna drive to Las Medulas. Let's go. Alright, so I'm just trying to figure out where to go. What is the most effective way to take this in and shoot this? It says here that this is gonna take 3 hours. I don't have 3 hours. Seems like this leads up to some form of viewpoint. I guess that's kinda what I want, is like a view of it all. I don't know. Or do I want to be close to them? I don't know. I don't have like 5 hours. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go up here. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna shoot the drone up. Have a look. So I'm looking at the pictures here, and this used to be a gold mine. And they would go down in these shafts, then everything would fall apart. So sick, so crazy. Wow. To think that there's gold in these mountains. Super cool. All right, hi, good morning. Today is Friday. It's the beginning of the last weekend of this trip. Next Saturday, I'll be taking the ferry to Germany. There's only 1 week left. That's mental. The past few weeks have moved so quickly. It's insane. Yeah, this week has just been busy with work and a lot of calls, which has been amazing. Community is the future, and that future is now. So now we are in a national park called something, something national park. I've got today and tomorrow to explore here. It's the last big stop. I think there's a few different spots around with beautiful lakes in the mountains. Then on Sunday I'm gonna start driving. Let's get this day started, shall we? Gotta start the day, right? Okay, so unfortunately I hit a point where I could not continue. I was a little bit confused with the maps because it's showing me I can go further, but as normal Google Maps is not on it. So it seems like you have to hike from here, which is kind of far, and then some reviews were talking about e-bikes. Having an e-bike would be so cool. God, I wish I had a bike or anything that could take me places. I really need to get that for the future. I don't really feel like doing a 1.5 hour hike or 4 hour round trip, as some said. So I think I'm gonna go down to the village here and see if there's any option to rent e-bikes or something. Oh wow, this valley is absolutely beautiful, but I'm so not made for hiking. Holy cow, I'm exhausted. But it's beautiful, and sometimes it's good to work for it, you know? These last 2 weeks, all the beautiful places, I haven't really had to work for it, but this is rewarding, you know? It's so mighty, like this is insane, actually. It was definitely worth it, and I'm not even at the lake yet. So, yeah. Let's keep going. That's cold. That's very cold. So the big question is, was it worth it? Was it worth the hike? The valley was amazing. The lake, not as good as I thought, but that was the coldest swim I've done so far, for sure. When I did the drone shot where I swam out a little bit and back, that was freezing. And now I just wanna be in a hotel room, order a room service, hop into a jacuzzi, you know? Something like that. But I look forward to coming back to the van as well. Should probably get going. Also, this is called grounding. I didn't really do it intentionally, but it's really good. Lay down on the earth, feel the ground beneath you. It resets your nervous system. If you're ever like struggling with emotions taking over, try this. I'm breathing, of course. I can't believe I'm going to Sweden in 1 week. Crazy. I know that it's not the end of van life, but it's still a chapter coming to an end. I feel like now I'm finally comfortable. I'm really enjoying it, but at the same time it's kind of stressful. We'll see what happens. It will all work out.